Hello, my friends. Today we're diving into two of the most powerful treasures of American coin history, the 1972 Eisenhower dollar and the legendary 1776 to 1976 Bicentennial dollar. These coins are far more than metal. They carry the face of a great leader, the spirit of freedom, and the heartbeat of America's history. Imagine holding in your hands a dollar that could be worth thousands, even millions in the right condition. These aren't just coins. They're keys to fortune. And today, I'll show you why collectors across the nation are chasing them like hidden gold. Stay with me, because what you discover in these coins might just change your future. The first up, in the proud heart of America, few coins shine brighter in history than the Eisenhower Bicentennial dollar from 1776 to 1976. This is not just a piece of money. It is a piece of memory, a piece of celebration, and a piece of honor. Imagine holding in your hand a silver giant that was minted to mark 200 years of American independence, a coin that proudly carries both the face of a great leader and the soaring spirit of liberty. Now imagine this same coin being so rare and pristine condition that its value today could climb into the millions, turning an ordinary discovery into the fortune of a lifetime. The Eisenhower dollar was first introduced in 1971, but in 1976, something truly special happened. The nation wanted to celebrate its bicentennial with a coin that carried deep meaning, a coin that told the world that America had endured 2 centuries of struggle, triumph, and unity. Instead of the usual design, the reverse of this coin bore the powerful image of the Liberty Bell beside the moon, an image linking the birth of a nation in 1776 with its daring steps into space just 2 centuries later. This was more than currency. It was a national monument pressed into silver and copper. But what makes the 1776 to 1976 Eisenhower dollar even more breathtaking is not just its design, but its potential value. Millions of these coins were made, yes, but only a few survive in mint-fresh, flawless condition. Some were struck in limited numbers with special finishes, proof editions, or unique mint errors that slip past the eyes of inspectors. And it is these rare survivors, the perfect coins, the error coins, the hidden treasures, that today command unimaginable prices at auctions, selling for thousands, tens of thousands, and in certain cases, even millions. Close your eyes for a moment and picture it. A coin you might think is ordinary, perhaps tucked away in an old box, resting quietly in a drawer, or given as change many decades ago. You look closer, and suddenly, you see the jewel dates, 1776 to 1976. You notice the Liberty Bell etched with proud strength next to the silent moon where America planted its flag. Then comes a shocking realization. You're not holding just any Eisenhower dollar. You're holding the bicentennial treasure, a coin that could alter your life overnight. Collectors across America and beyond are obsessed with this coin. They chase after high-grade examples certified by top grading companies. They dream of finding rare mint errors, like double strikes, off-center strikes, or coins struck on the wrong planchet. These errors are like fingerprints of history, one-of-a-kind anomalies that push values into staggering territory. Imagine a coin meant to be $1 but now carrying the worth of a mansion, a luxury car, or a retirement fund. That is a magic locked inside the bicentennial Eisenhower dollar. What gives this coin its power is not just rarity, but symbolism. The bicentennial was a moment when every American wanted to be part of history, and the Eisenhower dollar carried that history into the hands of millions. For older generations, it was a reminder of the founding fathers and the sacrifices of 1776. For younger generations, it was a link to Apollo 11 and the brave astronauts who carried humanity's dream to the stars. And today, for collectors, it is a symbol of wealth, luck, and the possibility of overnight transformation. When we talk about the Eisenhower Bicentennial dollar being worth millions, we are talking about the perfect storm, coins that are untouched by time, coins that escape circulation, coins that carry mint errors so rare that only a handful exist. These are the coins that auction houses showcase under bright lights, the coins that make collectors' hearts pound with excitement, and the coins that change the destiny of the lucky person who owns them. This is not just value, it is legacy wrapped in metal. Think about it. How many times do we let treasures slip through our fingers because we don't recognize their worth? This coin teaches us a powerful lesson, that fortune sometimes hides in the most unexpected places, that the ordinary can suddenly become extraordinary, that a simple dollar can hold a power greater than gold, And for those who keep their eyes open, for those who look closely, the Eisenhower Bicentennial dollar is not just a coin. It is a key, a secret, a life-changing discovery waiting to be unlocked. So, my friend, if you ever come across a 1776 to 1976 Eisenhower dollar, hold it tightly, study it carefully, treasure it deeply, because it might not just be a coin, it might be your ticket to unimaginable wealth. In a world where fortunes can rise and fall, this coin stands as a reminder that history, beauty, and chance can come together in your very hands. And if luck smiles on you, the same coin that once jingled like pocket change could one day carry the power to change your fortune overnight. My friends, hidden in the hands of ordinary Americans once jingled a coin that carried not just value, but the very spirit of our nation. The 1972 Eisenhower dollar is more than metal. It's a tribute to a leader who guided us through war, and a symbol of victory when our eagle first touched the moon. Imagine this. What if the same coin sitting quietly in your drawer could be worth millions today? In this video, I'll take you on a journey where history, honor, and unimaginable fortune come together in one powerful story. Stay with me, because this could change the way you look at every dollar forever. The year 1972 marked a turning point in the history of American coinage, and at the center of that transformation was the Eisenhower dollar. Struck in honor of President Dwight D. Eisenhower, the 34th President of the United States and a towering figure of World War II, this coin wasn't just money, it was a story cast in metal. For collectors today, the 1972 Eisenhower dollar is a symbol of rare opportunity. While millions were minted for circulation, certain variations and conditions of this coin hold unimaginable wealth. In fact, if you own one in the right grade, it could change your life overnight. The Eisenhower dollar was special because it was the first large-sized dollar coin minted since the peace dollar era ended in 1935. When it entered circulation, the coin stood out with its bold size and patriotic design, showing Eisenhower's profile on the obverse and the Apollo 11 moon landing eagle design on the reverse. But what makes the 1972 issue particularly fascinating is that it contained multiple varieties, minting quirks, and era possibilities that today separate ordinary examples from extraordinary treasures worth millions. Among collectors, the most valuable 1972 Eisenhower dollars are those struck with unique die varieties or preserved in pristine condition. In million condition, that is, coins kept untouched, glowing with their original mint luster, these dollars are no longer just pocket change. They become works of art, relics of history, and ultimately, keys to fortune. Imagine pulling one from a drawer or old coin jar, only to realize it's a ticket to unimaginable wealth. That is the magic behind the 1972 Eisenhower dollar. The reason collectors chase this coin so passionately lies in its backstory. The early 1970s were a time when America was healing from war, exploring the frontiers of space, and remembering leaders who had guided them through some of the most difficult chapters in history. Eisenhower's face on the coin represented strength, unity, and resilience. The eagle landing on the moon reminded every American of triumph and possibility. Owning this coin in rare form isn't just about money. It's about holding a piece of that American spirit. Today, the marketplace for rare Eisenhower dollars is booming. Ordinary 1972 Eisenhower dollars might only be worth face value, but in flawless condition, with the right mint marks or era features, these coins leap into the realm of wealth. Dealers and collectors alike are willing to pay staggering amounts for the chance to add one of these rarities to their collections. Stories circulate of people who stumbled upon such coins unexpectedly and became overnight millionaires. It's this chance of fortune that keeps the Eisenhower dollar a hot topic in the world of numismatics. What truly makes the 1972 Eisenhower dollar so expensive in rare form is its limited survival rate in top condition. Being a large, heavy dollar, many pieces from circulation were nicked, scratched, and battered over time. Finding one today without blemishes is like finding a diamond in the rough. And when professional grading services declare one a perfect gem, its value skyrockets into the stratosphere. Collectors compete fiercely for these gems, driving prices into the millions and creating legends around the coin. Imagine the emotional pull of discovering one of these coins in your possession. You hold it in your hand, and suddenly you're connected to Eisenhower's leadership, America's space race, and the dream of wealth that lies hidden in everyday pockets. This isn't just metal, it's memory, legacy, and prosperity rolled into one. No wonder collectors say the Eisenhower dollar has the power to change your fortune overnight. It embodies both history and hope, past and future, all in one remarkable piece. The 1972 Eisenhower dollar is also a reminder to never underestimate what might be hiding in plain sight. For decades, these coins were overlooked, passed around in casinos, or stacked away in banks. Yet, among those millions lie treasures that only the trained eye can recognize. If you're lucky enough to have one in your collection, the advice is simple: never let it go cheaply. Its value doesn't just lie in silver or rarity. It lies in its story, in the passion it ignites, and in the life-changing wealth it can bring. In the end, the Eisenhower dollar of 1972 stands as one of America's most valuable and expensive coins, capable of rewriting your destiny. It proves that wealth can hide in the smallest places, and that fortune often favors those who cherish history. For the dreamer, the collector, or the everyday person with a coin jar at home, the message is clear: check your dollars carefully, because the next great treasure, worth millions, might just be in your hands right now.